What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Quiana LaChé, Transformation Strategist. I help female entrepreneurs create unshakable confidence in themselves and their business, design content that pierces their clients' souls, and make them a magnet for abundance. And in today's video, we're going to be talking all about how to make your beliefs believable to the conscious mind. So here on my channel, we typically talk about reprogramming the subconscious mind, but we can't forget about our boo, the conscious mind. Now here's the thing, our conscious mind is also a protector in a different way. So with the subconscious mind, that's more of the reptilian brain, that's the fight or flight. I might stab you and beat your ass if you try to kill me, or I might just run. Brain. But with the conscious mind, it's the more logical mind. It's the mind that's like, wait a minute, this don't make no damn sense. What are you talking about? Mind. So if you are trying to change your beliefs, or you're trying to believe something different, and you're just jumping from one end of the ship to the other, your conscious mind is going to be like, no, wait a minute. This does not make sense. I don't believe this. I don't trust it. We ain't doing it. So what we can actually do to get our conscious mind on board with going in and believing a new belief is we can do something that's called belief bridging. So let's just say, for example, that you are someone that wants to lose weight, and so you're thinking that the way to go about doing this is to just tell yourself that you're skinny. Well, you tell your conscious mind that, and it's like, boo, you know damn well. You know damn well that ain't the truth. What is you talking about, right? You want to kind of bridge the gap. Start to get the conscious mind on board with the new belief that you are wanting to believe. So let's use this example in regards to money. Okay, we want to be worthy and deserving of money, and if we tell our conscious mind that and we don't believe it, it's like, girl, you know damn well you don't truly feel this way. So let's run through the example of how we can belief bridge this. So the first thing we want to do is look at the truth. So that truth would be, I am not worthy of money. Then we would jump to, I want to be worthy of money. Because that's true, we have the desire to want to be worthy of it, right? I'm open to seeing how I can be worthy of money. I could see myself believing that I am worthy of money. I can see ways in which I am worthy of money. I am worthy of money. So do you see what we did there? We really took a belief, one that was true to us, one that we truly felt, and we kind of just bridged it along to the new belief. Again, if we would have just said, you know, hey, I don't feel worthy of money. You know what? Yes, I do. Our conscious mind would be like, honey, stop. When really what we did was we took our conscious mind on a journey of saying, okay, this is what we believe. However, I can see myself being worthy of this thing. I can see ways in which I could be worthy of this thing. You know what? I've seen how I've been worthy of this. You know what? Shit. I am worthy of this thing. And that is how belief bridging works. And when you find yourself getting in a funk and wanting to believe something and you're just not behind it, try this method. Try it and see how it goes for you. I'm telling you, you do it. You watch my other videos on this channel. They're gonna help you. If you have not joined the Royal Quarters, you need to go ahead and do that too. That's my free membership with all of these amazing, great trainings, tapping sessions, hypnosis, guided meditations to help reprogram the subconscious mind. And if you have not looked into my program, Take the Throne, which is a 7-week program where we focus on the 4 pillars of your inner success: awareness, embodiment, leadership, and recoding, then you need to go ahead and check it out. I'll make sure to drop the link in the description box below. It'll also be in the card above. And as always, my lovely, it's so great to have you here. Thank you for spending your time and energy with me. I hope that you found this video super valuable as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.